Profit System, an innovative installation method. Avoid mistakes. Watch the entire video before you begin the installation. Package contents: 1x Mosho blade shield, squeegee, cleaning cloth set. Clean the screen with a dry cloth. Make sure the display is completely clean before installation. Installation is quick and easy. Just 4 simple steps. 1. Positioning. Initial adhesive layer. Remove the white protective backing from the initial adhesive layer by gently pulling tab 1 downward. Place the installation set onto the screen. At this stage, you can still adjust its position freely. Press the set down gently with your finger. Use the squeegee to gently press the material onto the surface. Two. Installation. First side. Lift one side of the set using tab 2. Bend the material up to 180 degrees so that the pre-cut layer can slide freely across the device surface. Use the squeegee to assist. If any air bubbles remain, remove them using the squeegee. 3. Installation. Second side. Repeat the same process on the other side of the set. Lift the material using tab 3. If any air bubbles remain, remove them using the squeegee. 4. Finished. Protective layer. Use tab 4 to remove the protective top layer. If any air bubbles remain, remove them using the squeegee. Any remaining imperfections should disappear within 48 hours. Done!